Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Lincoln MKZ Black Label. This one's brown. Underneath the hood is a 3.7 V6 pushing out 300 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Got a brown leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Coming around back, we've got our MKZ Lincoln 3.7 badging, power liftgate, set all season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Come alongside. This one does come with heated mirrors, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, keyless go, cup holders. This MKZ has 12,630 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lincoln, check out feldmannimports.com.